So I don't know if you can see this or not, but it is just wind and snow. You can't see anything. You can't see anything. We can't get on the freeway. Everybody is stranded, and Patrick's driving, so I don't know if we're gonna make it. We have 14 miles to go, but I don't know. I've never seen anything like this before. You can't see anything. It's just snow and wind. That's it. Just snow and wind. I haven't been able to go to the bathroom, and I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Dad, do you have anything to add?
I just, not overly pleased that I ended up in this mess being the driver, but got a good co-pilot, so.
That is so not true. I've been freaking out the whole time. Oh, we're moving. All right. Wish us luck. Bye.